So, you're looking for an email marketing tool, but not just any tool. You want something that's easy enough to start with, but still powerful enough to grow your business. Well, today we're going to talk about GetResponse. It's an app that's been around since 1998, and today we're going to answer if this is the best beginner-friendly email automation app. First of all, it's really easy to use. The setup, it's painless. You get a 30-day free trial, and you don't even need to put your credit card down. You sign up, you pick a template, and you can literally have a landing page and sign up within an hour. And if you're not an expert in this field, you don't need to stress. Thankfully, they have some sort of an AI tool that creates these emails and these plans for you. So for beginners, it's a lifesaver. For experts, you can probably do it yourself. Their cheapest plan is around 13 euros per month. And with that, you get unlimited emails, you get unlimited landing pages, you get sign-ups and pop-ups, and even get a welcome series for new subscribers, which is rare because the platforms I've used mainly take, I would say, around 20 euros for this service. And the thing I really like is it's just not an email automation tool. You can grow your list with forms, you can build landing pages, you can send newsletters, and I've even seen on the webpage, we're going to look at it after, but you can create your own course. So instead of juggling 4 or 5 different apps, you get it all under one simple app. This is all great, but features mean nothing if your emails don't actually land in inboxes. They claim that they have a 99% delivery rate, and they also have a 24/7 live chat support, which is, if you're starting out, a lifesaver. And it's just not marketing fluff. I've seen case studies where businesses boosted their sales by 10 to 75% through their autoresponders. And of course, just like any other tool, it's not perfect. The dashboard has a lot going on, and if you want something that's super simple, bare bones email sending, then this might be overkill, since this has a lot of different automations, a lot of different applications in it. But if you're using multiple different applications for one service, then you might as well use one service for every application. So, is GetResponse the best beginner email marketing tool? Yes, according to me, this is the best one, mainly because it has multiple different applications in one form. It has an AI tool that creates basically everything for you, and it's really affordable. You also get the 30-day free trial, and you don't even need to put down your credit card in order to get it. So that's it. If you want to try it, make sure to click the affiliate link down below.